Hi there, Cher Johnston here, and today's video we're going to do Take a Stitch Tuesday. We're going to add the Cretan stitch to our little book page. So now, as usual, I have drawn in some lines. I can't find my dot grid, so it means I have to clean again and figure out where I put it. Okay, I'm going to start at the top of the bottom line, and I'm going to go up here. And I'm going to come out of the top line, wrap the thread around the needle and pull through, and then I'm going to pull down. Then I'm going to come down. I'm going to come down below this line because I don't think I made these far enough apart. And the thread is wrapped, and this time I'm going to pull up. Then I'm going to go in here. I'm going to come out above that line because I think I put my lines too close together. Wrap the thread, and then this time I'm going to pull down. Then maybe you can't even hear my cat. She's calling to me again. And to end off, I'm going to go to the back of the fabric and knot it off in the back. That is our Cretan stitch. Thanks for watching. Bye!